This is just a level set. I've been at Red Hat for 10 plus years, and we have always made the case for open hybrid cloud, and we continue to do so. That is a fundamental driving principle for us and strategy. Our customers have, over the years, innovated, competed, and successfully created value to their own customers through applications built for hybrid cloud, be it N-tier applications or be it more modern cloud-native microservices that encode traditional business logic or rules or more modern data analytics and artificial intelligence, or it can be developed in-house applications, custom applications, or packaged applications from ISVs. They have developed and deployed these applications across the hybrid cloud footprint, everything from a physical data center to a public cloud and to the edge. And Red Hat OpenShift, built on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, has been the bedrock platform in that journey. And this is a better look at that journey. And this journey, called the Open Hybrid Cloud journey, has evolved over time. We started this journey back in 2015, as some of you might recall, with OCP v3, or OpenShift Container Platform v3, with Docker containers and Kubernetes, with Docker providing the standard packaging format, and Kubernetes providing scheduling and cluster management for portable applications and consistency. Since then, with OpenShift v4 in 2019, we brought a comprehensive and integrated approach to the cloud with full stack install experience, Kubernetes operators, monitoring, distributed tracing, service mesh, serverless, CI/CD, GitOps, a number of developer tools, and more. Building on this OpenShift v4 and with customers wanting more cloud-based services and consumption, we have added OpenShift as a fully managed service that can be consumed on your favorite public cloud with offerings like Red Hat OpenShift for Amazon or Rosa, Azure OpenShift or ARO, or OpenShift Dedicated, and much more. In addition, we have introduced ACM and ACS for hybrid cloud management and security. Building on this success, building on our success with managed OpenShift, we earlier this year doubled down and unveiled a suite of fully managed SRE-backed application and data services that we call Red Hat Cloud Services. You will see us continuing to add more there through this year and next. Now, where are we headed next? In some ways, we're already on this journey, but our point is to bring you a comprehensive hybrid cloud-based service experience that brings all these together, such that there is a uniform experience for you, no matter where you are on the cloud or on premise or at the edge, be it for a developer or an application architect or a DevOps person or a security person or a system administrator or anybody in charge of operations in general. So OpenShift, just as a quick recap, is available. When we say OpenShift, we are talking about this is the different ways in which it is consumable by you as customers and users. Is available as a fully managed cloud service, or it can be consumed as a self-managed platform. Managed Red Hat OpenShift is jointly engineered, offered, and managed by Red Hat and the cloud provider, so that you can get started with Kubernetes service quickly. This includes OpenShift Dedicated, Azure, Red Hat OpenShift, on OpenShift service on AWS, and IBM OpenShift service on IBM Cloud as a fully managed for you by Red Hat and our partners. OpenShift Container Plus, OpenShift Container Platform, OpenShift Kubernetes Engine are self-managed software offerings that you can deploy in your data center, public cloud, or edge locations. You can choose the model that best suits your needs or a combination of both, and many customers have done both. So OpenShift anywhere, anytime, and any way is kind of where we're going with this. You are very familiar probably with this rendition of what makes Red Hat OpenShift. So as a quick recap, OpenShift Container Platform is the foundational piece here, is our Kubernetes distribution built on top of Red Hat Enterprise Linux and CoreOS. that also includes many platform developer and data tools and services. The new thing that Nana is going to touch upon later, as well as Tony, is the OpenShift Platform Plus, which in addition to OpenShift Container Platform also includes things such as ACM, ACS, and Red Hat Quay, integrated and tested together to address your management, security, governance, compliance, and registry needs. More on this a little later. Next, let's look at the themes for OpenShift. These themes are based on customer inputs, such as you, as well as Red Hat vision and strategy and the broader market and technology trends and changes. The first theme here on the left, starting at the left, is the core platform and developer tools pillar, if you will. This includes our investments in Kubernetes, Linux, and platform and developer tools. While we know that we have added a lot of innovation here over the years, there is much more to come here, the innovations such as a response to new hardware accelerators. This is just beyond GPUs now with things like DPUs or data processing units and FPGAs, or innovation in use case specific scheduling, or innovations in networking, including network observability. Innovations in GitOps and DevOps, and exciting new things for developers with regards to serverless and service mesh and code-ready tools. This theme is also foundational for the rest of our themes, such as managed services and telco and edge. The telco edge theme is in service of rapid innovation and needs from the telco industry in 5G core and 5G RAN. These needs include desire to run and develop container native functions, or AI/ML applications, etc. Developed at the core and deployed at the edge with containers. Or it could be because you are collecting vast amounts of data at the edge. How do you anonymize that? How do you clean it and bring that for consumption into the core for analytics and stuff like that? The managed services team is all about bringing OpenShift, as I said, as a fully managed and SRE-backed service on the cloud of your choice. In addition to the current API management streams service with Kafka, Red Hat OpenShift data science and management services such as subscription management, cost management, and insights, which you already see. We'll be adding more features and capabilities to those, but also we'll be adding more services over this year and next. Finally, we are very excited about the hybrid cloud experience. As alluded to earlier, this is a comprehensive end-to-end experience for your applications across the hybrid cloud. It includes hybrid cloud governance, compliance, security, management, and observability, all tied together with a rich cloud.redhat.com experience. So all this is going to come to you through basically our releases. Right now, we are in Q3. 4.8, OpenShift 4.8 is next on deck. After that, we get into Q4, and then we divide it into first half and second half, and you will see that we are continuing to innovate across all the different parts that I described earlier. I won't go obviously into the details of each one of these, but this is there as a kind of a cheat sheet whenever you need to refer, and more details can be found, as I said, in the appendix. With that, I'll hand it over to Nana to take us through hybrid cloud experience and OpenShift Platform Plus. Nana, take it away, please.
Thank you, Tushar. Hello, everyone. I'm Nana, and I would be taking you through our plans of hybrid cloud experience and a bit on Platform Plus. Next slide, please. Customers are onboarding more developers and deploying more workloads and applications to OpenShift, which is a good news, but this also means more storage, more nodes, more pods, more traffic, both north, south, and east, west, and most importantly, more clusters. When you have more than one cluster, you have to think about these things at a multi-cluster level. Now you have multiple clusters distributed across multiple clouds and infrastructures. Now you are thinking about the hybrid cloud. For the application architect and developers, the questions are, how do I deploy applications across multi-cluster hybrid cloud? How do my applications in different clusters communicate with each other and exchange data? And how do I do this in a secure, repeatable, and automated fashion? The system administrator and operators are meanwhile asking how to provide multi-cluster storage, multi-cluster networking, ingress, egress of traffic, and load balancing, and multi-cluster management, security, and registry for container images. One of our main themes for this year and next will be to provide standardized tools that for your first cluster all the way to your 100th cluster or more address these needs and challenges. Next slide, please. So Red Hat OpenShift is the industry's leading hybrid multi-cloud platform, and OpenShift brings Kubernetes to the enterprise with over 3,000 customers across all industry verticals. It is built on a foundation of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and OpenShift provides a comprehensive container platform. Our goal is to provide you with everything you need to build, deploy, and manage applications across the hybrid cloud, and that is our OpenShift Platform Plus, and we would cover it more in detail later.